Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and making money without a boss, without fixed hours, and without a 9 to 5 job. Sounds unrealistic? These 7 AI tools are already helping people do exactly that. Hey, welcome to the Tech Show, where we explore powerful AI tools and ways to make money online. Today, I'll show you 7 AI tools that can literally replace your job if you use them the right way. Tool 1 is ChatGPT. This tool can write blogs, emails, scripts, and even generate business ideas. You can use it for freelancing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, blog writing, or creating scripts for YouTube videos. People are charging between $20 to $100 per task using this tool. Tool 2 is Eleven Labs. It creates ultra-realistic voiceovers in seconds. You can use it to start YouTube automation channels, create audiobooks, or sell voiceover services. You can earn money by selling voiceovers or by building your own content channel. Tool 3 is Pictory. It turns simple scripts into complete videos with visuals and subtitles. You can use it for YouTube automation, running a content agency, or creating social media videos. Many people are building full YouTube businesses using this tool. Tool 4 is Canva. You can create thumbnails, advertisements, resumes, and social media posts. You can sell designs, offer social media services, or start a thumbnail design business. Simple designs can sell for $10 to $50 each. Tool 5 is Runway ML. It allows you to edit videos, remove backgrounds, and create AI-generated visuals. You can use it for video editing services, content creation, or short-form video editing. Video editors often charge between $50 to $500 per project. Tool 6 is Copy.ai. It helps you write advertisements, product descriptions, and sales copy. You can use it for e-commerce content, business advertisements, and email marketing. Businesses are willing to pay well for high-converting copy. Tool 7 is Durable. It can create a complete business website in less than a minute. You can sell websites to local businesses or start your own online service. You can charge anywhere between $100 to $500 per website. The future of work is already here, and the people who adapt first will win. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe to The Tech Show for more videos like this.